Yeah, hi friends. Today we'll learn how to create a AAM user role and policy. Yeah, let's click on AAM. And first of all, we'll create our own policy. Create policy. Um, we can create a JSON format and a visual format also. And we need to select EC2 here, all actions. We select all actions. We'll create a EC2 star policy. And we need to select a resource also. If you want give any user to this policy and all, we need to select this resource types and users. We can select all resources also here. Yeah, next, by giving the policy name P2 policy. That's it. Policy is created. We can use it like this, showing EC2 full access, and we'll create a user and we'll attach that policy to this user. Let's click create user and give name EC2 user, providing password application. This we need to select checkbox. It will ask create a new password while login time. And here we need to attach the policy directly. We can copy existing policies also, and we can add existing group also here. We are searching EC2 policy. Here we go. EC2 policy showing. If you want to give any tags, you can give tags here, like project dev. Tags are very important to identify the billing and all. You can use multiple ways with these tags. Let's create a user. Hitting the create button. Yeah, that's it. Immediately we can download a passwords file, and you can see like this here also. And then we create our user and we'll attach that policy that user. I need to select AWS services, and if you want to use this role to accounts level, multiple accounts level, with single sign-on and all, we need to select AWS accounts, and for AWS CLI we need to give SAM application like this. We can use multiple ways here. For now, we are selecting EC2, and then next, the same way we are selecting EC2 policy. I'm selecting EC2 policy here, giving role EC2 role. That's it. It's showing here. Yeah, EC2 policy. Here also need to give a tag project and I'll use dev and create a role. That's it. You can see the role here. Yeah, that's it, guys. We can access this EC2 policy from roles like users from anywhere. Can access from console visually and with code also, with attaching the role. Can use multiple ways in this condition. Yeah, thank you, guys. Please suggest more topics, create a new videos. Thank you.